Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a hair video. I'm just going to show you my typical wash day routine. I've had my hair in some spring twists for protective styling and I've removed them. I have a lot of product buildup. My hair is really itchy and it's looking dry and brittle as well. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair into 4 equal parts. I do this to help me in the detangling process. I like to detangle my hair before shampooing and also during conditioning. I just find that it's a lot easier to manage in the shower when I detangle before I shampoo. I have my spray bottle here with water, olive oil and apple cider vinegar, and this is the mix I use every wash day. I find that this mix helps to get rid of any excess product buildup, and I'm using my wide tooth comb to get through any knots and tangles. I'm just going to retwist my hair and then repeat the same steps for each section. After about 30 minutes, I'm ready to shampoo. I'm going to saturate my hair with water, and for today's shampoo I'll be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo with Manuka honey and Mafura oil. I'll be adding this to my root and scalp first to get rid of any excess product, any gunk that may be on my scalp. I think that this is the most important part of the shampooing step. Be prepared for a lot of funny faces during this video. I'm just massaging the shampoo in, rubbing my scalp to make sure I get to every single section. Going to rinse and repeat, this time adding the shampoo to the root of my hair as well as the strands. Rinse, but this time thoroughly to remove all the shampoo from my hair. I had to close the door for this part. Washing my hair while filming a video and trying not to get the bathroom flooded is proving to be an extreme sport. The deep conditioner that I'll be using is a bit of a DIY. and you'll have to forgive me, as when I made this conditioner I had no intentions of filming a wash day video, but I'll put the ingredients on screen. I'm now adding the deep conditioner to my hair in no particular order, and I'll be using my Tangle Teezer to detangle in this step. To cover my hair in product, and that's why I do my own little DIY deep conditioner, because I don't want to spend a 12-16 pounds on a deep conditioner and I have to use it on one wash day. Also, with the added benefits of the banana, the aloe vera, and the rest of the oils that I used, and it just stretches the product and adds a bit of zhuzh. Does get a bit messy, but I really love this deep conditioner, and it adds so much slip to my hair, and I am really content in knowing that every single strand of my hair has some deep conditioner on it. I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of my hair and just detangle through until I'm content that my hair is fully detangled. I'm now going to put my hair back in one and cover with a shower cap or plastic cap and leave for at least 30 minutes. And now for the final rinse, where I'll be removing all the deep conditioner from my hair. I'm using a cotton t-shirt to part dry my hair before I add my leave-in treatment. This leave-in treatment is also a DIY. I made this one from scratch. I'm not quite ready to give up the ingredients for this as yet, but you can use your preferred leave-in. I'm just going to add this all over my hair, as much as needed. Next, I'm going in with my Palmer's Natural Fusions oil, and I love it so much. It smells so good. From here, I'm just putting my hair into 2 simple twist cornrows until I'm ready to style again later. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you'll be trying my DIY deep conditioner. Until next time, bye!